So I thought that was really interesting, but this one is not the reason for this video. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. Please hit that subscribe button down below and also hit that thumbs up. Today's video is going to be about the United States Postal Service and some updates they're going to implement here in the next coming weeks. Now, this is something I did not know about, but I got an email notification about this, so I dug a little bit deeper, I found the article, and I looked over it, and I honestly feel this is something that's going to affect most, if not all, resellers. So let's get into this and let's show you. So like the last video I did, I shared my screen. That's what I'm gonna do right now. You can see it up here, and I'm gonna have two different articles I'm gonna share with you from the Postal Service. So this first one was kind of interesting. This is from April 15th, which is about 5 days ago. The United States Postal Service begins third quarter with 94% first-class mail delivered on time for 2 consecutive weeks. Now, I thought this was really interesting because I was honestly thinking it was going to be less. Now, third quarter service performance scores covering April 1st through April 8th, 93.6% of first-class mail delivered on time against the service standard, an increase of 5.7 percentage points from the fiscal second quarter. That is very interesting to me because it is higher than I thought it would be. From a lot of people you see complaining online that their mail's not getting there, I would honestly expect this number to be lower. Marketing mail, 95.5%. Well, that doesn't affect me. Periodicals, 87.9%, which is low. Which I say it's low, but that's where I was actually thinking the first-class mail numbers would be. One of the goals of Delivering for America, the 10-year plan, is to meet or exceed 95% on-time performance for all mail and shipping products once all elements of the plan are implemented. So they are trying to shoot for 95% and above. Now, does this affect resellers? Yes, because with eBay, people, or any reselling platform in that, people are buying something and they expect to get it. So if it's late, that could affect your feedback. It could affect a lot of things. It could affect a buyer coming back. So just like here, people might be taking it out on the reseller, but it's actually the Postal Service's fault. So I thought that was really interesting. But this one is not the reason for this video. So I'm going to go to the next tab. This is the one that really got my attention. United States Postal Service implements new first-class package service standards and updates priority mail service standards. So what does this mean? They want to improve utilization of surface transportation while reducing air network usage, which is more costly and continues to face reliability issues. They want to align with a 10-year Delivering for America plan, commitment to service excellence. Majority of delivery standards for packages unaffected by service standard charges. It removes extra day for priority mail transported via ground, established for April 2020 COVID-19. And priority mail transported by air will maintain the exact day for the near term. So on May 1st, the United States Postal Service is taking additional actions to improve service reliability by announcing the implementation of changes to first-class package service. They're modifying these service standards, which will allow for additional transport time for long-distance packages deliveries and increased network efficiencies. Right there, that bothers me because we are on the East Coast. We do sell a lot of stuff to the West Coast, and I'm guessing a lot of West Coast sellers sell to the East Coast. Now, sometimes we go into our eBay and we check a tracking number just to see how long it's getting somewhere. It is taking a while now. So now they're telling us that this is going to take an additional long. 64% of first-class service volume will be unaffected by the proposed standard changes. 4% will be upgraded from 3-day to 2-day service standard. For the remaining of the volume, 32%, the service standard will increase by 1 to 2 days. So right there, now they're going to add 1 to 2 days more on top of how long it's already taking, which is taking a while for some packages, especially going from the East to West Coast or vice versa, West Coast to East Coast. Additionally, the Postal Service is removing an extra day for priority mail transported via ground. The extra day was temporarily put in place in April 2020 to account for ongoing global supply chain, transportation, and employee availability challenges across posed by the COVID-19 pandemic. So they're finally catching back up to some of the things that were happening due to the pandemic at the time. Given the continued high demand on the overall air traffic, the Postal Service is retaining the extra day at this time for priority mail transported via air until the reliability of our key providers improves. So looking at that, anything that you're sending ground priority mail really will help. Might get there a day earlier, but if it's going by air, it's going to take probably the same amount of time. So hopefully some of this information was very helpful for you. As a reseller who sells a lot of smaller items, I'm honestly starting to think about adding priority mail as an option for some of those items. Just because I think a lot of people that order stuff want it fast nowadays. With the way Amazon ships next day, stuff like that, I think a lot of people still want their item fast. So we are starting to think about possibly adding priority mail as a shipping option along with first-class services on items that we can. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, smash that thumbs up down below. Also, leave a comment. It really helps out the channel. So until next time, guys, remember, stay safe, stay healthy, and keep picking. Bye.